Hello everyone and welcome back to Tuscany. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are in the very center of Italy. We are in Arezzo, one of the most beautiful cities of Tuscany and of this country. Arezzo is strategically located because we are very close to the border with Umbria. In 50-minute drive you are in Florence. Arezzo has a train station that connects it to all of Italy and has all of the main services and as well beautiful and charming restaurants and shops. Today we are in the main square, we are in Piazza Grande and are about to visit together a beautiful restored apartment just a few minutes from here in one of the most famous palazzos of the city, Palazzo dei Bacci. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. Located right where Via Cavour meets Corso Italia. Once known as Canto dei Bacci, this is considered the very navel of Arezzo. For centuries, this was the epicenter of commerce, politics and culture. Some of the city's finest shops and boutiques are still right here. Palazzo Bacci dates back to the 13th century. Its architecture is a masterpiece of medieval elegance, with large stone arches, Gothic windows and a Renaissance courtyard. At the entrance portico of the palazzo, looking up, we find these beautiful proportions and tall ceilings. On the ceilings, we find these original arches, and at the center, a 14th century original fresco called Cristo the Redeemer that is attributed to the school of Spinello Aretino. On the floor, we find this checkered pattern made out of marble that is antique, and through this large door we enter into the central courtyard that gives light from the inside to the rest of the apartments. Going up this side, we find this beautiful staircase that goes all the way up with a central empty space to give light and ideal if one likes to install an elevator. Welcome to the third floor. As you can see, we are inside an historical palazzo. There currently is not an elevator, however it can be installed. There is enough space at the center of the stairs. As you can see, we are on the third and last floor, so it is full of natural light. You will notice as we go through the property. It is 185 square meters, so nearly 2,000 square feet in internal space, with as well over 12 square meters of private terrace. There is also a balcony. The property includes 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 2 laundry areas. As soon as you walk in, you notice that everything has been restored with a beautiful blend of modern touches and historical details. This is the entrance door. As soon as we come in, we notice to the left there is the first bedroom. This bedroom overlooks the main street of the city, so it is really beautiful to look outside in the morning, and it also has a good natural light from this window. On the floors, you will notice throughout there is this light color parquet floor, nice and tall ceilings with exposed beams which have been painted, so it gives even more light. And the bedrooms are mostly set up this way, with this wall here on the back, which hides on the back a walk-in closet. You can see it's been all fully restored and also furnished in a very stylish way. There is air conditioned throughout the whole apartment and the heating is through radiators. As you walk in, you are welcomed by this beautiful cellar. You pass through this arch, there is another arched window. As you can see, it is very cozy. It's been painted with this wine color on this wall and on the ceiling. Lots of space for wine and also a comfortable wine fridge on this side for your white and rosé wines. By the way, the apartment also comes with 2 ground floor storages or cellars. One of them, which is about 6-7 meters square, is fully restored and is excellent if you want to store your bike or you want to have a restored storage on the ground floor, and the other one, which for a total are of about 35 square meters, is to be fully restored, and you could there make even a bigger wine cellar if you like, or use it in other ways. As we keep going, you right away notice on my left this door window, which lets you access onto the private terrace. It is a spacious terrace that overlooks the internal courtyard, so it is very tranquil and silent. And as well, there is a little turret which is fully restored, and inside you will find washer and dryer right by the terrace. Then right here we also find a bathroom which can be used by the common areas and as well by the bedroom which we have just seen. By the way, if you would like to use the apartment as an investment, you can consider this as a second entrance because there is another entrance door there, and if you would install a door here instead, this bedroom on this side would be fully independent and rentable separately. Welcome to the main entertainment space. This is the living area. As you can see, it is nice and spacious, fully restored with parquet floor all over the floors with these nice dark red insertions which match with the wine color of the wine cellar. So you will see this color throughout the apartment in several details. It's been done very nicely. On this side, you can see there is a sitting space. All of these furnishings are also for sale with the apartment with an additional price. And on this side, you can see there is this LED light on this wall which lights from below. And the sitting area overlooks this large TV with nice console. On the ceilings, we can see the exposed wooden beams, which also here have been painted in this light gray to match with the walls. There is an additional unit for the air conditioning. And on this side, there is another door window which lets you access onto the terrace. So in the summertime, if you leave the door open, you have this nice feeling of the internal spaces being connected with the external ones. Next to the living area, we have the dining space. As you can see, it's fully nicely furnished. These are chairs from the 70s which have been restored, and also the table was fully restored. There is this nice set of lighting on top. The style is very similar throughout. We have the parquet floor with these burgundy color details. And in the end, we enter into the kitchen over here. The kitchen is nice and spacious. We have a resin floor which matches the color of the walls and is also very easy to clean. We start with the fridge and freezer over here and this beautiful bespoke kitchen. The top is made of a natural stone. It is one slab and the owner went personally to the cave to pick and choose it. Beginning from here, we have some storage on the bottom. There is a nice oven right here. The stove on top is induction and it has an extractor right above. Then we have the dishwasher right here and in the end additional storage on these two openings and a spacious sink right on top. Above we have more storage that opens this way and of course a nice and spacious working area over here. Next we get to the rest of the bedrooms. So we begin. On this side there is the second laundry area. If you remember, I said that there is one outside on the terrace where there currently is washer and dryer. This space right here currently doesn't have washer and dryer, however it has all the plugs and attachments for it. So if you like, this is also a second location, or it can also be used as a storage for linens and towels. Then through this door, it is nice if you notice that all of the openings have been made as an arch, which gives quite a personality to the space, and even the doors, as you can see, have been shaped like an arch with metal details. This is the second bedroom. It overlooks the central courtyard of the building. It is full of natural light. You can see how much natural light floods this room. So it overlooks the central courtyard, therefore it is very tranquil, very private and silent. And this one has its own separate private terrace, which you can enter through this door window over here. Also here we have the same style with this wall painted in this wine color, and on the back there is a changing room or a walk-in closet. We keep going. We have the hallway, which at the beginning on the left it has this door window which gives lots of natural light and overlooks onto the terrace with this nice black frame. Then we have another window overlooking into the central courtyard. By the way, all of the windows are the original windows which have been restored by an artisan woodworker. He installed double glazing in all of them, and all of the metalware is the original that has been cleaned and restored. To the right we have a large bathroom which is shared by these two bedrooms right here. As you can see, there is a sliding door, so it is very comfortable and saves space. On the floor and on the wall it's set up with this nice resin in this wine color like the rest of the details, with a spacious shower in the end with a window overlooking the courtyard. Next to the bathroom there is this little space which has been left open with a wardrobe in the end. You could even close it with a wall, with a door, and it would become an additional storage space. In the end we have the third and last bedroom. Also here of course we find the air conditioning. It is arranged opposite to the other ones, so there is this wall in this wine color right here, and this would be a walk-in closet. On the back it has the space for a bed. Right now it is set up as an office space, so as you can see there is a table over here, a couch on this side, but you can notice the plugs are ideal for a bed, so a bed would fit right here. There is a TV on this side and a window overlooking the central courtyard. And here we are ending today's property tour of this precious hidden gem in the center of Arezzo. I hope you enjoyed it. I think it could be mostly suitable either for someone that would like an easy to keep pied-à-terre in the center of a beautiful Tuscan city, at the same time for someone that would like it as an investment property. It can be great either for long-term rentals or for short-term rentals. As I mentioned, you could also create another door by the entrance and separate the first bedroom, renting that out separately, or as well enjoying the whole place. Please let me know if you have any comments in the comment section below, and remember to subscribe to the Romolini channel for the best homes of Italy every week. Until next time, ciao!